Welcome back to San Antonio Living. All right, we're talking Valentine's. Maybe you have a honey bunny for the weekend, but maybe you don't. If not, don't worry. We have some tips for you to get through this weekend. Well, with excitement and joy and happiness and without bitter, right? We're talking to Diane Gottsman. She's our etiquette expert, and I think often people can get very bitter about the Love Day, and they call it Singles Awareness Day.
Singles Awareness Day.
That's not always the case, you guys. You have fun, right?
That's right. That's right. And you know, it really is all about the way you look at it. So the first thing is to change your perspective of what Valentine's Day is.
Okay.
So plan ahead. If you know it's coming and you know that you personally dread it because for the moment you don't have someone in your life, you know, determine that you're going to make it a great day. You know, pick your favorite meal out. Either make it or buy it, but you have to plan in advance. You can't just say on Saturday, because it's on a Saturday this year, I think I'm going to have my favorite lasagna casserole. So whatever it takes to make you happy for that day, whether you are with some other people or whether you're by yourself. And there's nothing wrong with being by yourself.
Okay, there is. I love being by myself. I go to the movies by myself all the time, and that's not on Valentine's Day. Something you can also do is visit friends. How about visit your family? You don't have to be by yourself.
So what I really want to encourage, because Valentine's Day is about love, you know, that's the theme. What about our moms? What about an aunt that raised us? What about someone that has made an impact in your life? Again, it's on Saturday. That's a great day because we don't have to go to work the next day, most of us.
Right.
So take a road trip and go visit someone that really has meant something to you, that you're going to make a difference in their life.
You know, it's a great perspective to look at Valentine's Day. It's love. People say, oh, relationships, couple, that romance. No, I love my mama too. You can go and see her.
That's
but
right.
what if you are invited to that Valentine's party and you don't have a date?
Go.
Okay.
Go. Because
Diane
you don't know
go.
who you're going to meet.
There you go.
That's just like at weddings. You know, oh, I don't want to go. I don't have a date. Well, go, because this is an opportunity. Number one, again, it's not just about people who are in love or who are in like.
Right.
It's about people that you are comfortable with and you're friends with. And friends introduce you to other friends. And so it's a great opportunity to get out there and be seen.
I like that. That's very clever. You might actually meet somebody on Valentine's Day.
And it shows self-confidence. We don't have to go every place with someone. You said you love to go to movies.
I go all the time. I eat by myself. I go to, and I choose to.
It's a learned behavior. I love it too. But at one time, I didn't want to go eat by myself. I didn't want to go to a movie. Now I'm like, yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm going with myself. It's nice.
It is. It is. Well, you know, what about the folks who like me? Something I might like to do is stay at home by myself and kind of just clean some stuff out. Use the time to.
So that's one of my bullets. And I know it sounds boring, but I say get in your closet and clean. But guess what? It's 80 degrees today. Spring is right around the corner here in San Antonio. And I think if you have some downtime, make the most of it. And I said clean your closet because I think it's kind of fun to go in and dig around and shop your closet. You don't know what you know, we forget what we have from season to season.
Oh, you know what I love to do is get all the things that I want to throw out and say, wait, hold on, this is still in great condition. Donate it somewhere. Take it to the Salvation Army, whatever it is. So that's what I really enjoy doing. And I like Pinteresting.
Yes.
I can Pinterest for days and days and days and not even realize that it's been days and days. Is that a good idea too?
Oh my gosh, build some inspiration boards. If you know, that's a perfect time. Valentine's is a perfect time to either sit with someone you love, and that means a girlfriend, that means it could be a romantic interest, it could be yourself. You need to love yourself in order to make somebody else happy, and decide, listen, this is where I want to go this summer, this is where I want to go next Christmas, next holiday, and start pinning and find boards that really speak to your heart. You know, it could be everything from the toiletries you want to bring. It could be some adventures you want to see. It could be some countries, some cities you want to go to. It doesn't mean that you have to go. It just is something that inspires you.
I get inspired all the time. I have a cooking Pinterest. I actually made one of them last night to actually get up and do it. Oh my gosh, it makes me feel like Chef Boyardee. I feel so good about it. So
start
thank you, Pinterest.
Today for Saturday.
Yeah, exactly.
That's right.
Great idea.
There you go.
Okay, and the last bullet you have for us is don't buy into the Valentine's Day hype. You don't have to wear pink and red on that day. You can do whatever you want, really.
That's right.
Just another day, right?
It's just another day. It's a special day. It should remind you that we need to love ourselves. Before we can love someone else, we need to invest in ourselves. And then go out and make somebody's day more special. If that means a telephone call, that means today going out and buying your Valentine's for people that you love that may not be a romantic interest, but they've made a difference in your life. Do it.
All right. Sounds good, you guys. Again, this weekend, if you're by yourself, That's all right. Hang out with your friends, hang out with your mom, other singles. Hey, you might even meet somebody out at HEB. You never know. But here's some great tips from Diane Gottsman. Thank you so much for coming. And you always make everything that could potentially be kind of negative and down much brighter and happier. Thank you for that. You guys can reach out to her. The number's on the screen. It's 826-7400, or check them out online. Check Diane out online at dianegottsman.com. Thank you so much. And all these tips will be online afterward, also on our website, News 4 San Antonio.